Hello students, today we are going to solve 16th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as the speed density relationship on a single lane road with unidirectional flow is u equals to 70 minus 0.7 k, where u is in kilometer per hour and k is in vehicle per kilometer. Now we have to calculate the capacity of the road in terms of vehicle per hour. Now we know that the capacity will be equals to velocity into density. Capacity will be equals to C and velocity will be equals to V and density will be equals to K. Now we have to put the value of velocity here, that is 70 minus 0.7 K, and we had to multiply this value by K, so it will be equals to 70 K minus 0.7 K square. That will be the value of capacity. Now for finding the maximum capacity, we have to differentiate the capacity with respect to K, that is 70 minus 1.4 K, and we have to equate this value with 0 so as to find the value of K. It will be equals to 70 divided by 1.4. After solving this, we will have the value equals to 50. Now for finding the capacity, the formula will be equals to 70K minus 0.7 K square. Now we need to put the value of K here, that is 70 into 50 minus 0.7 into 50 square. After solving this, we will have the value of capacity equals to 1750 vehicle per hour. That will be the value of capacity. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.